Hello everybody, today we'll make a contact us page. It is very nice looking contact us page. Here you can see our three different section: address, email and phone number. Okay, a nice image here and a nice looking form, so someone can fill the form for you in your website. And submit it. You can see that it is automatically redirecting us to another pages. It will help your customer to understand your page more. So let's make it. First of all, we need to enter in our WordPress dashboard. Here we need to add a new page. Hover over the page and you can see the option for adding a new page. Click it and give it a name. I will name it contact, and here we'll set it up and publish. After that, edit with Elementor. Let's edit the page for the contact. First of all, we will add here a heading. For that, we will drag it and drop it here. You can see a heading is added. We need to customize it. Click the pencil button and edit the heading, and you can change the text. We will write here contact us. Okay, we will align in center and make a style for it, and you can change anything. You can change the typography for the text, for the heading. For the family, we will choose open sans and 45, I think, the size, and the weight will be 300, and the transformation, I think, uppercase will be good. Okay, you can see that the heading is near our header. It is the header section, so we need some space between them. So we'll select the section by clicking here, edit the section, and go to the advanced tab. We can add some padding. We'll add 50 pixel padding for the top. You can see there is some space between the header and this heading. Okay, after the heading, we will add an image. Just drag and drop. It is very simple, and we will choose an image. For that, all the media I am using here, I will give it a link so that you can also use this media for your project. So you can see that we need to edit the image. Go to the style tab and width. You can control the width as you want. After the image, we will add 3 sections. For that, we will click the plus icon, and you can see there are so many layout already. Here you can select X structure. We'll select these for our 3 section. Add icon box. To add your icon box, you can simply search here icon box and you will see it. Okay, just simply drag and drop, icon position left. Okay, and here we will add our own icon. You know, it is a contact us page, so we will add our location here. For the location we will add location. For the location we will add our location icon. Here is our location icon, insert it. And for the heading we will write here address, and here you should give your address. Okay, let's edit this section. First of all, we need to edit our icon. Here you can give it a primary color. Let's come to the contact, and here you can see there are a option for view. You can edit it. So we need to edit the icon box. So go to the style, and you can here add the primary color. For the primary color we will add any kind of color. Here we will add this color. Okay, and for the secondary color, and we will use this blue color. Okay, it is looking great. And you can see here we can resize it as we want. We will add 25, it will be good. Another thing is all fine. For the color, it is this color. After editing the icon, we should go to the content to edit it. You can see here is the alignment for the content. Content means the heading and the other content here belong. The alignment should be left, and the vertical alignment should be middle or top or bottom. I recommend to use top. And here the color, give it a color. This color will apply into the title. Okay, let's do it. For the heading we will add Montserrat, and Montserrat we will the weight for the heading or the title should be 500. Okay, and 20. It is looking good now, and you can add some letter space too. You can see there a spacing bar. You can control the spacing between the heading and the description. Okay, I will give it 5. Under the title you can see the description. You can edit this description, give it a first color and edit it. We can edit row, we can keep the family, we can edit the description, the typography. The font family should be Roboto. I'm using Roboto, you can use anyone. And for the size it will be 18. 18 is looking good, and for the weight 300 is good. Okay, you can see it. And now we need to give it a background color. Click edit the column here and style. You can see the background and background type classic, and choose a color. I'm choosing this color. So you can see that there are not much space between the edge of the column, so we need some space. For that, click the column and go to the advanced section, and here you can add some padding. We will add in the top 50 pixel and bottom 50 pixel, and 20 pixel right, 20 pixel left. Okay, it is looking good now. After that and we will add some margin here. For the left 10 pixel, for the right 10 pixel. Okay, we need one last thing, we need to add our border radius. Now you can see the corner of the border is sharp. We need to add some border radius, like we will add 15. Now you can see that the corner is not sharp anymore, it is looking very good now. Okay, now the first column is ready. Just click the column, copy, and you can duplicate it 3 times. We will delete these other 2. Now it is duplicated. Now we can just change. Now here you can see that the 2 number I am giving here, it is staying in one line. So just to make a new line, you just use line break tag like that. Now you can see that there are 2 the section, and go to the advanced tab and padding, give some padding here. Okay, after that we should add a heading. Just drag a heading and drop here. Is a heading, we know, and it is also a heading. So what can we do? We can copy the style or the copy, and here just paste the style. Elementor have this option. It is very cool feature, so you should use it. It will save a lot of time. So after that we will add a contact form. Just search here form, you will see a form here. Just drag and drop it here. Okay, in the form you can see that there is already 3 input available here. We can add our new item, new input. And here you can see that there are many types of input you can make. Okay, just make this time. Let's suppose you need the website name of your customer, so you make this kind of input. So here your customer will write their website name, or you add, or you want to know their city, so you can make a input or make an item which will be for their city. Okay, city, and customer will write their city. Okay, if you wanna make this field in half 50%, like, you can do that also here. You go to that field, or clicking here, and column width, give it 50%. You can see that it's now 50%. Okay, let's style the form. You can change the column gap between 2 column, 1 column, 2 column, and there is the gap between the column. You can change it as you want. I will use it 20. Okay, and there is the row column. I will make it 30 row column. Basically it is the row and it is the another row and it is the another row, so there should be some gap, and we can control this gap by this slider. Okay, here hide the label and go to the style and the field, just uncheck this and bottom one, so you can see that the border is applying on the bottom only, and make sure the border radius is unlinked. Now it is looking good. And here for the text color, for the field, give it a color and give it also some taxonomy. Okay, you can change the button also. You can see here submit button. You can change the text here. You can change it as you want. Okay, and here are some alignment available: left alignment, center, or right, or justified. Okay, as you want. And you can also add some icon for here. Okay, I don't think we should add here some icon. Just let's make this button beautiful. We can add two color, background color and text color. For the background we will add this color, and for the text color we will add this. We will add the blue color. Okay, blue, and you must, or you can make it white. I think white is looking good. And the taxonomy for the text, Montserrat. Is good. Okay, and give it some letter spacing. Now it is text padding. For the top we will add 20, and for the bottom 20, and right 50, left 50. Okay, and border we can just uncheck it to make the sharp border here, and hit the update. Now the contact us page is ready, but one more thing to do. We need to make functional this form. To make functional this form, click the edit form, and you can see the contact form here, and you can see action after submit. Click here. Basically what it is mean, when we submit the form, after completing the information we should submit the form, what will happen after submitting the form. Okay, here you can see that by default email action will be taken, and we can add some action too. Let's add redirect. Okay, now you can see here email and redirect tab. Open the email tab. Make sure you give here your Gmail ID. So whenever someone complete the form and submit it, after submitting it, an email will go to this Gmail account. Okay, you get it. You don't need to change anything here. Go to the redirect. Now you need to put a link here which will be redirect us. Like after someone completing this form, they hit submit, and they hit submit, then there will be two action will happen. We select two action. First action is email. We set the email what it will do, and the second action is redirect. So when someone click it, it will redirect him to another page. So you need to paste the link of the another page here. So we did not make any page now, so we leave it empty. We will fill it later. Just now hit update and go to the dashboard. Let's make another page. And you can see that our thank you page is ready. So we need to grab the link of thank you page. So that how can we grab the link or copy the link? You can see that there is a call pharma link, and you can copy the link here. It is the link for our thank you page. Copy the link and go to the all pages and our contact page. Go to edit with Elementor. After here you should go with edit form. In the edit form, in the redirect option, you should paste the URL of thank you page. When someone fill the form and submit the form, it will redirect him to our thank you page. Let's test it. Okay, go to our page. That was okay. I think here it is. Okay, it is looking good. Okay, let's fill the form. Just give some random email, and my website is webcipher.com and city 123123. Just give a random city and message hello bro and submit it. Okay, you can see that now we automatically redirect into our thank you page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon so you will never miss my next video. Maybe next one will be more helpful for your website. Comment down what kind of video you want next. See you next time. Till then, bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.